even as the outrage peaks over Naresh Agrawal's comment, Congress hitting out at the Samajwadi Party leader saying that politicians should not make such insensitive statements.
All these leaders, they're making very irresponsible, shameful comments as far as rapes are concerned. They should give strong statements against rape and against those culprits who've been involved in such cases, and they're not doing that. And on the other hand, they are being very insensitive, very irresponsible, and the rape cases are steadily going high, whether it be UP, whether it be Madhya Pradesh, and you have the leaders speaking in this irresponsible behavior. So, I feel these leaders should abstain from talking, opening their mouth. If they cannot do anything positive, let them not be negative at least.
The BJP too stepping up its attack on the Samajwadi Party, saying that it's very unfortunate that instead of introspecting, the sensitive comments.
मेरा प्रश्न इसी से जुड़कर ये भी है, क्योंकि मीडिया पर अटैक हो रहा है, बोला जा रहा है ऐसे वाकया तो होते रहते हैं और किसी लड़की को उठाया नहीं जा सकता, जानवर को भी पूछ के ही उठाया जा सकता है उत्तर प्रदेश में, ऐसे नरेश अग्रवाल कहते हैं। तो ऐसे अगर टिप्पणी होती है, पहले आपने मुलायम सिंह यादव को भी देखा था, बोलते थे बच्चे तो ऐसी हरकतें करते रहते हैं, ऐसी टिप्पणियों पर भाजपा का क्या रुख रहेगा?
बहुत अफसोसनाक है, बहुत अफसोसनाक है। उन्हें आत्मचिंतन करने के बजाय, समाजवादी पार्टी को और उसकी सरकार को कार्रवाई करने के बजाय जिस तरह का वो मैसेज दे रहे हैं, वो मैसेज बहुत लाउड और क्लियर है। वो मैसेज जो है वो उन अपराधियों को, उन दोषियों को, उन गुनाहगारों को के मनोबल को बढ़ाने वाला है। जो गुनाहगार, जो दोषी इस तरह की हरकतों को बेखौफ होकर के, बेलगाम होकर कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद आप जो है वो मैसेज, जो अगर मीडिया जो है वो मैसेज पहुंचा रहा है, तो आप मैसेज को देखने के बजाय मैसेंजर को मार रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं जी ये मैसेज जो है वो बिल्कुल जो दिया जा रहा है वो गलत है। एक के बाद एक, इसलिए हमारी तो यही कहना है। देखिए, पहली बात तो ये, जब नौकरशाही और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का ताना बाना हाथ से छूट जाता है, आपके राजनीतिक हाथ इतने मजबूत नहीं है कि उस ताने बाने को आप पकड़ सकें, तो ऐसे हालात में हमारा तो यही कहना है, हमारी तो उनको बिना मांगी सलाह है कि अगर आपके हाथ से उत्तर प्रदेश की बागडोर पूरी तरह से खिसक गई है, निकल गई है, तो आप या तो इस्तीफ़ा दे दीजिए, और वरना अगर आपको ठीक करना है तो सभी राजनीतिक पार्टियों की फ़ौरन बैठक बुलाइए और ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुला करके इसके समाधान करिए। क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश के जो आज हालात हैं वो सामान्य हालात नहीं है। देश के सबसे बड़े राज्य में सबसे ज़्यादा गुंडागर्दी और सबसे ज़्यादा अराजकता दिखाई पड़ रही है।
Joining me now is NCW member Shamina Shafiq. Ma'am, thank you for speaking with Times Now. Ma'am, Samajwadi Party leader Naresh Agrawal, speaking to Times Now, has drawn an animal analogy to describe what happened to a woman. How do you react to this as a member of the National Commission of Women?
Absolutely disgusting, actually. I don't even feel like commenting upon such statement, because I mean, to what level leaders are trying to stoop, I fail to understand. What kind of insensitivity they are trying to show, I fail to understand. And perhaps this is the reason why we see every other day, every single day rather, an incident taking place in UP. Because I mean, the state leaders, if they, the least they can do is at least keep them out. I mean, close, if they cannot actually do something to help out the women in UP. This is absolutely bizarre. This is absolutely disgusting. Absolutely, I condemn this. National Commission for Women is actually very, very disturbed about what is happening in UP. We've been asking the DGP. We have already asked them to give us a detailed report as to what they are doing. We are still waiting for it. And under all the such circumstances, now such statements coming out, they should actually abstain from all saying such things.
In connection to this particular incident, what action are you contemplating? Are you planning to send a letter, anything?
How many letters do we send? And I mean, are they actually reacting properly, sensibly? No, they are not, because there were previously there was an incident where a letter was sent, but again we see a repetition of things happening. So the fact is that they should understand, they should realize that there are women, and it's not just the women of UP, it's the women all across the nation who feel disgusted. I mean, how can they even talk about a woman like this? I mean, this is the mentality that these people are carrying. This is absolutely disgusting. And as far as NCW is concerned, we've already asked them to tell us what plan of action they have actually made in order to ensure that women are safe in UP. They have to give us an answer. They have to make an action plan for the month of July. They have to submit it to us. We are still waiting for that. And this has to stop. This has to definitely stop. They have to take some action. The Chief Minister should now intervene. I've been saying this repeatedly, that the first thing is they need to acknowledge that there is a problem. The problem with UP is that the state heads are not seem to be acknowledging the fact that there is a problem in UP, and because they are not acknowledging, they are not even sitting down to find out solutions, and that is why we are seeing whatever we are seeing in UP.
Ma'am, you spoke about lack of acknowledgement, whether it is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, or his father, Mulayam Singh Yadav. Both have made certain derogatory remarks vis-a-vis women in the past, and now you have another Samajwadi Party leader in the form of Naresh Agarwal towing the same line and giving out similar comments. What would you like to tell Samajwadi Party as a political party as you represent the NCW?
See, I would like to say that there are problems in other states also. Women, it's not like that it's only happening in the state of Uttar Pradesh. But the thing that we at least request from the state heads, from the people of administration, from the government, that they acknowledge and they say, yes, there is a problem. We are sitting down. We are trying to solve it out. We'll do something about it. But here we see absolutely. I mean, they are saying they are in a negative mode. They are not even ready to accept that there is a problem. So they need to sit down together, and it's not about just any one district. There are so many districts in Uttar Pradesh. They have to get down to the district level. They have to ensure that they have certain kind of meeting wherein they engage with the civil society, they engage with the NGOs, they engage with the activists, they also engage with the Zilla Panchayats and the Panchayati Raj elected representatives, because those are the people who will be able to tell you as to what is wrong, how you are going to curb it.
Is famous for making all these kind of very irresponsible statements, and this is the culture of Samajwadi Party, that still he is being there and he will continue to be there, because the whole concept, the kind of references which he makes off and on, we have also seen it during the election. Also he raised a huge controversy about the chai wala kind of thing. In fact, now he has raised this kind of controversy. They don't have the heart, in fact, be it Muzaffarnagar, where they will be talking about in a different language, all of them, and in a very unfortunate manner. Now this rape, it's a very unfortunate. This is happening in the state of UP, in their own government, and Mr. Naresh Agarwal, who is a very senior member of parliament, and he is a legislation, he could go to such an extent of comparing the women with the animals. I strongly condemn it, and I personally feel that the media should not even give him a damn whatever he's saying, because it seems that perhaps he does it to remain in the limelight.